Alright, 0809 Heroes and Prospects.
Wait, where's your knife?
I don't need it.
Yeah, you do.
Hey, at Easter time, didn't Brian share a good card with the jockeys?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Because he got 2 good cards and you didn't? So did he give you one?
Yeah, I did.
So maybe you should reciprocate that kind of thing. Aren't you guaranteed something in those boxes?
Yeah, 2. These.
Wait, can you get jerseys and autos?
Yeah.
Or is it just?
More base.
Nothing good?
Not yet.
Not yet. There's 24 packs, so.
Why are you taking those out?
Because
they're decoys.
Fillers?
Yeah.
Why do they bother putting that stuff in?
Steven Stamkos #1 draft pick, so I wonder how much those fall. Come on. That was no input so far.
You should have had me go like this, and I'd pick out the good one for you. Hey, 2 out of, what, 8 packages is good.
3. I got
2
3.
autos.
I got 3 autos.
Oh, you told me only 2.
No, I got 3.
You showed me.
No, 2. 2 of the autos were out of 1 auto boxes. So there's only 1 hit per box. And you pulled it out of like 18
both of them
packs.
out of the box? Wow. Are you sure? Because there were 4 different
Yeah,
boxes.
you didn't give me anything.
Yeah. Oh, Brian.
3
you know
out
what?
of
You
8
stingy.
is good luck. You should take Mom with more often to pull for you.
Pull for me. Tyler Ennis, #28.
26. Stupid.
26. Dude, I was just looking fast.
Can't get anything yet.
No, but there's 24 packs of box. Trevor Glass. Does anyone run a cup winners?
Don't push them aside with the garbage.
I have
It is garbage.
The ones you just showed him?
Oh.
Yo, Brian.
My bad.
Down to it. I'll do one now. ITG
That's
business.
guaranteed.
Yeah,
It
you are.
is. He still has like 10 more packs to open.
The
Says-
stocking ones were better
John.
anyway, so see, you didn't
Yes.
have to buy all
Stocking.
of them.
John, these
Well,
have
these are
1
$20 a
redemption
box.
point.
I know. And you just send them in ITG. Oh my god. Okay. 5 packs left.
I'm really 11 if you don't get anything.
I'll just call them anyways. They'll send me something.
How can you prove it though?
Video?
Yeah.
Right now.
Oh.
Auto. Devin Setaguchi. That's not bad. That's nice. Sharks. Alright, one more hit. I think it's in this one.
Nope.
Yeah, I think it is. Yep. So.
Wait. Ooh, the tension is mounting.
Alright, this is nothing. We have to count how many of those dimensions.
This already has 4 minutes.
It is. It's not
Yeah.
bad though. Alright, let's see who the relic is. Nice. Mark Stahl, that's awesome. 2 colors. 1 of 100.
Dang.
That's nice.
Alright.
That's pretty nice.
Up next is mine.
Alright.
Wait, what about those
I
two?
did.
Didn't you want those two?
Alright.
I did.